Hello, welcome to my video. I'm going to be explaining how a network address translation table works, as well as just NAT. I'm going to refer to it as NAT because that's what the lingo is in the technology world. Every single computer network in the world has a public IP address. This is where this is the address that your ISP would give you. This is just an example. I have no idea what mine is. I just pulled this up. So you have a public IP address, and then you have your local IP address, which is 192.168, and then whatever you have it set up as. Typically it's 1.1. I have seen 254.254. Regardless, doesn't really matter. A NAT table translates the information from the local network out into the World Wide Web, and then comes back using just one IP address. And I'll give you a visual demonstration of how that works because it's kind of confusing, but the visual definitely helps. So let's say both of these computers were trying to communicate to google.com. So this one comes up google.com, and this one both also comes up with google.com. So the router goes, okay, I need to send these packets to Google. So it goes up to google.com. If I can drag this, yep. Goes up to google.com and comes back. Same with this one. Goes up, comes back. And these were sent at the exact same time. Well, it goes out on the public IP address and then comes back. Well, this router has two google.com packets that would be exactly the same. So it wouldn't know what device to send this packet back to. Well, that's where the NAT comes in. What happens is the router has the public IP address and it sends the data out of a specific port. And that's how it differentiates. So the data comes out of the router on the public IP address, but on port 50,000. So when it comes back, it also comes back in on port 50,000. And then the router itself has a table inside it that says which port translates to which IP address. So if I go up here, and I can move this guy up here and this guy here. So now when this google.com comes into the network from the public IP address, it comes in on port 50,000. So the router knows to send that to 192.168.1.51. And then the same thing with the second one. It comes in on port 50,001. So the router knows, okay, I need to send that to 192.168.152. And that is how the NAT table works. And that's the fastest that I can explain it, and the easiest way that I can kind of give you a visual demonstration on it. For me, I am a very visual person, so I struggled with learning this, and the videos were like 20 minutes long. So I wanted to make a quick video to give you an overview and explain exactly how it works and why we need it, because you only have so many public IP addresses out there. If every device had a public IP address, it just wouldn't work. So I hope this video helps you. If it did, let me know. Anyways, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Goodbye.